Welcome to this video, where we will guide you step by step on how to select your vehicle type in the Waze app on your phone. Choosing the correct vehicle type is important as it helps Waze provide the best possible routes tailored to your mode of transportation, whether you drive a car, ride a motorcycle. First, open the Waze app on your smartphone. Next, look at the top left corner and tap on the three horizontal lines. Then, scroll down the menu and tap on the Settings option. Now, inside the Settings menu, tap on the Navigation option. This section controls how Waze chooses your routes and which roads it prefers or avoids. Then, look for the Vehicle Type option and tap on it. Here, you will see different choices available, such as Private, Taxi, and Motorcycle. Choose the one that best matches your current vehicle. Selecting the correct vehicle type ensures Waze calculates the best routes and travel times according to your vehicle's characteristics. Finally, after making your selection, simply exit the menu, and your preferences will be saved automatically. Now, Waze will provide you with more accurate directions suited to your vehicle. Thank you for watching.